So, the Pixel 10 leak cycle is just beginning, and details about Google's next flagship are still scarce. Despite significant rumors surrounding the Tensor G5 and G6 chipsets, there are no CAD models or concrete design details available yet. However, an intriguing development has surfaced. An alleged Pixel 10 phone case has appeared, potentially providing clues about the successor to the Pixel 9. This unexpected leak has caught many by surprise. The leak comes from Sonny Dixon, a user on X, formerly Twitter, known for his reliable Apple-related leaks. Dixon shared an image claiming to be of a case for the Pixel 10. While the authenticity of this claim remains unverified, Dixon has a solid reputation in the Apple leak community, though it's unclear if his Google leaks will be just as accurate. The design of the case closely resembles those made for the Pixel 9. The upper section features a horizontal cutout designed to accommodate the signature Pixel camera visor. Over the past few generations, this visor has seen subtle changes, but the overall design language has remained consistent. If the design of this case is accurate, it suggests that Google plans to maintain a similar camera setup for the Pixel 10. However, the case does not provide any clues about potential feature upgrades or enhancements to the camera hardware. Another detail inferred from the case is the continuation of rounded corners in the Pixel 10's chassis, keeping the smooth, curved design seen in previous models. Beyond these observations, the case does not reveal much else, leaving many aspects of the Pixel 10's design shrouded in mystery. There is also the possibility that this case is a speculative creation by a third-party manufacturer rather than based on confirmed information. It's unusual for a finished case design to appear before prominent leakers like OnLeaks have shared CAD-based renderings, raising questions about the validity of this leak. Despite the uncertainty, this leak could mark the beginning of more significant revelations about the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro's design. In the coming weeks, further details are likely to emerge, offering a clearer picture of Google's plans for its next-generation flagship. For now, the Pixel 10 remains an enigma, leaving enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the next wave of leaks. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in my next video.